Hello and good morning, everybody. You're with Martin Penev, Chief Account Executive and Trading Analyst, GDMFX. Welcome to today's European Session Morning Outlook. We're going to start with a brief look at what happened yesterday. Pretty much the dollar was on the spotlight, as well as the British pound, thanks to the positive manufacturing data which came out. The euro dollar declined a little bit. The kiwi was moved because of interest rate decision and also employment and unemployment data. It declined severely, not because of the positive sides, because the unemployment came out quite positive, but then again the hiring of new employees was not as expected. But then again, what happened was that the dairy exports in New Zealand declined severely, which pushed the currency low against his major rivals, especially against the dollar. It was almost 40 pips yesterday. We mentioned the pound. The pound was pretty much the sole currency which managed to fight the US dollar with their bulls, and it has a little bit of a up movement yesterday. With regards to commodity trading, the gold was moving sideways on a lower time frame chart. It closed the daily candle pretty much where it opened it. Pretty much the same happened with the oil trade. It started, it gains until midday yesterday, and then it wiped out all of the take profits on the bulls on oil, and it went down. The range on the daily candle was almost $1.70 in one day. A little bit of an interesting news on fundamental analysis. The Egyptians are going to start building pretty much a replica of the Suez Canal, which is the main pipeline between African oil and Europe. The project is going to start working upon quite shortly. Our friends on Bloomberg predicted that the price of the gold will top $1,400 per troy ounce by the end of this year. We're going to wait and see what's going to happen. I'm going to take a quick look on what we have in the agenda from the global economic calendar today. We already saw a massive upbeat on the Halifax property indicators in UK. We all know that property market is very closely watched, especially in Britain. It came out positive already. We do have some industrial production year on year and month on month coming out in manufacturing is of course from Britain, and then we're going to observe the CPI year on year in the Eurozone. We have an interesting indicator, preliminary data for the GDP in the European zone year on year and quarter on quarter. This will come out quite shortly. And then again, moving up in the afternoon, the mortgage applications in the United States, international merchandise trade, exports and imports in Canada, which will definitely affect the loony traders. Trade balance is scheduled for today for the United States, and then again we have an estimate GDP data by the end of the European session coming out with regards to the British pound. Crude oil stocks change is going to come out by the end of the day, and then the Asian session, one of the most important, some of the most important indicators for the Japanese yen This will be the foreign bond and foreign stocks investors, and then again the foreign currency reserves for this month with regards to the Japanese economy. That's pretty much all we can look at today. Then again, of course, look at the information which we post on our website regularly. Stay tuned on the calendar, and I wish you a successful trading day. Cheers. Bye-bye.